Welcome back students of 5th class. This is mathematics lecture. So in this video lecture we will discuss about the new topic, chapter number 16, and the chapter name is lines, angles and circles. So friends, let's get started. Friends, we will solve questions of now friends we will discuss the points, okay, in solving the sums of exercise 45. So first see friends, question number 1, whatever the required the points we will discuss along with the questions. Okay friends, now first fill in the blanks. Now see friends, A says A dash has only one end point. Now friends, now look at the friends, A dash only one point. See friends, ray, that is called the ray. Now friends, what about ray? Look at the friends, this is ray. The answer is ray. Now look friends, ray has only one point. It starts from one point and goes to infinity friends. Okay, so that is called the ray. So ray cannot be measured. Okay friends, ray cannot be measured because one end point is known but the another end point is unknown. So this is why ray cannot be measured. This is the solution of the A. This is ray. Ray has only one end point. Now see friends, B. In B, what B says, A dash has two endpoints. Now B, A has dash has no endpoint. Now see friends, this is friends answer line. Look at the friends, this is the line which tells us that it is not the stopping and it is not a stopping, that it not stops at any points. That means this cap indicates, this arrow indicates goes to infinity, right hand side, and this cap, this arrow is indicate this is goes to infinity in the left hand side. So we can say friends, this is, it has no end point. Line has no end point. If it has end points friends, then it is a stop, but there is a mark, there is an indication, the arrow indicates I'm not stopping because it goes to infinity. Here it goes to infinity. So we can say line has no end points. Okay, line cannot be measured, line cannot be drawn on the piece of paper, on the piece of the line. Line cannot be drawn on the universe friends. Okay, because line has no end points. It goes to infinity. Suppose you say it will go 100 million kilometer, 100 million billion. So anyone raise and say this is 1000 million trillion. Okay, that means we can say the line has no end points. Okay, so the answer is here is the line. Okay, now see the C. A dash has two end points. But say friends, yes, this is friends, but this is line segment. Line segment has two end points, one and here one. So line segment can be measurable length, it can be measured, okay, it is denoted, this is line segment. So the line segment, so the answer line segment has two end points. Okay friends, now see the D. D says, no, D is no friends. Now see the second number questions. Second number question says, second set, which of the following has definite length? Which of the following have definite length? Now friends, definite length friends, yes, answer is line segment. So line segment has definite length, so this is called, it can be measured. This is called the finite length. Now the next friends, third number, write the following in symbol. Now see friends, third number question says write the following in symbols. Now friends, see friends, A is the straight line, STRAIGHT, a straight line AB. So very simple friends, a straight line, this is a straight line friend, straight line सीधी line और AB है, this is suppose A B, but friends it is not stopped because here the arrow mean goes to infinity, AB, so this is written as this friends. Okay, this is the symbol. Now the symbol is AB. Okay, now what about B friends? B says line segment GH. So this is the line segment, this is G friends, and this is H. So this could be written as this is line segment. Okay, now C, ray friends, ray E F. So rays friends, either this F, either this. So this is ray, or this is friends, suppose this is ray. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Now see the question number 4, which is last question. Now question number 4 says pick the acute obtuse right angle. Now friends, pick the acute obtuse or right angle. From the following. Okay, now see friends, here 90 degree given, 21 degree given, 36 degree is given, 165 is given, 130 degree is given, 57 is given, and 170 degree is given. Now friends, we have to pick first acute. Now what about acute angle friends? Acute angle, this is less than 90 degree. Yes, less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree. So we can write the instead of acute angle. So these are answer acute angle. Now obtuse friends, yes, obtuse angle more than 90 degree friends, obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle. So 165, 130, 170. Now the last right angle. So right angle friends, right angle is 90 degree. Only one is the right angle, 90 degree. I hope you will be understand. Now see your homework friends, question number 1 to 4. So to prepare the fair copy, neat and tidy, neat and clean. Okay friends, and we'll solve the question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you have any doubt, confusion, ask me. I will see friends, we will see the next day with the new points. Okay, I hope you will enjoy with this video lecture. Have a nice day.